Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about some of our favorite massage guns on Amazon. You guys, this is an amazing one. It's the Sonic from Life Pro. I absolutely love massage guns, and I love this one in particular because it is going to give you a ton of different massage heads. So you get 5 different levels of intensity, all going to be totally quiet. It's got a really, really powerful motor, but also quiet. So you're not going to have to worry about disturbing other people or even just, your own annoyance from it. It's going to be quiet but powerful. 5 different intensities, so you can start slow and then build up to something a little bit harder for those like really, really tense sore muscles. But what's really cool about it is that it has 8 different heads. So that's crazy. I've seen most on the market, I think, have 3, maybe 5, but 8 means that you are going to be able to get into every single muscle, every single little nook and cranny, find what really works for you and mix it up. Find what works for you best pre-workout, what works best post-workout, what works best when you are just unwinding and relaxing, or what works best when you are, using it with a partner. All of these different things, they're gonna have the perfect head for you. You're gonna be able to find the perfect intensity, so it's really customizable. And you guys, this has a lifetime warranty. That's crazy. So they really, Life Pro stands by their product. You can buy this totally risk-free. You know that they are going to make sure that you're happy. They really believe in this massage gun, and there's reason for it. They also have this really cool service. It's called their Guiding Angels. It's going to be 24/7 live support where they are going to really help you figure out how to use this best, how it works best in your body, and help you with all sorts of resources, videos, guides, how-tos, all that kind of stuff on their website. So they are really just a great company with a great product that's going to be so much more than just giving you a massage gun and being done with you. They're actually going to help you use it and help you become a better athlete and a stronger, healthier person too. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You're going to be so glad that you did.